I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your TD app, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Open the TD app. Launch the TD app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, find the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it, then select the account where the disputed withdrawal occurred to view your transactions. Step 3. Locate the withdrawal. Scroll through your transaction history to find the specific withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. Review the information you've entered and submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation message or email once your dispute is successfully filed. If you run into any issues, make sure to check your internet connection or try restarting the app. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you resolve the issue.